In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get 5 stars on Animal Crossing New Horizons. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. To achieve a 5-star rating island in Animal Crossing New Horizons, you will need a combination of development points. So you will have development points and scenery points. By combining both of these, you can go up to 5 stars. And a lot of things will be taken into consideration, such as furniture, fences, bridges, inclines, trees, flowers, DIY furniture, and so on. You also need at least 8 villagers and no negative conditions like too many dropped items or weeds. So essentially, it is going to be a balanced and well-decorated island. In this video, I'm going to show you the formula, and I'm also going to give you tips on how to calculate how close you are to a 5-star rating. So as you can see, this person on Reddit, Mars Fire Soul, actually put together this very well documented compilation of most things that you have to do. So you have general tips and also the minimum amount of things that you need. So as you can see, minimums that could help you obtain or maintain a 5-star rating: 250 plus fencing, 250 plus flowers, 70 plus DIY items or furniture, 20 plus Nook Miles items, and then 65 plus Nook's Cranny, Nook Shopping, and Paradise Planning items. You also have the maximum items here, but of course I'm not going to go over all of them individually. Another tool that really helps you know if you are close or far from getting 5 stars is available on Nook Plaza. So go to nookplaza.net, and if you go over to their tools, you will be able to select Island Rating. In here, you have the options to control the facilities, so Museum, Nook's Cranny, and then Abel's Shop. And then you can set up these items here. So the villager count, the number of bridges, number of inclines, and then number of fences. So you can change these, and you will notice that at the bottom of the page, the rating will change dynamically. So I'm just going to set a value of 200 here to demonstrate this with ease. But of course, you should carefully take your time and properly type out the correct values. And you will notice that every time that I input items here, so bushes, fully grown flowers, trees, and so on, I'm able to get more and more points. So by combining development points and nature points, you will be able to achieve a 5-star rating island. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.